Stop sticking those fuzzy white sticks in your ear canal right now because you are probably just packing that gunk down like a heavy-duty trash compactor. We have all seen those viral ads for this electric ear cleaning tool that promises a clinical-grade flush from the comfort of your bathroom sink. It looks high-tech and sleek. It promises a jet stream of water that will supposedly leave your hearing crystal clear. But before you go blasting high-pressure liquid into one of the most delicate parts of your skull, we need to talk about what is actually happening behind the marketing hype. This device is essentially a miniature power washer for your head. It uses a controlled stream of water to loosen and flush out debris. In theory, it is an upgrade from the dangerous habit of using cotton buds. Doctors have used irrigation for decades. It is a legitimate medical practice. However, there is a massive difference between a trained professional using a calibrated tool and you trying to navigate your own ear canal while looking in a foggy mirror. Most of the glowing praise you see for this specific gadget comes from the people selling it. Their websites are packed with 5-star reviews that feel a bit too perfect. When you step away from the polished advertisements and look at real-world feedback from places like Reddit, the story gets much more complicated. Users are reporting mixed results. Some people absolutely love the deep clean feeling. They say it is the most satisfying hygiene experience they have ever had. Others are sounding the alarm. They talk about a level of pressure that feels genuinely risky. If that water hits your eardrum with too much force, you are not just cleaning out wax. You are causing a serious injury. Your ear is a narrow, winding tunnel. If you have an existing infection or a tiny perforation in your drum that you do not even know about, shooting water in there is a recipe for a medical emergency. The claims that this is universally safer than traditional methods are simply not backed by rigorous clinical data. It is a classic case of an overhyped hygiene trend. It is not a scam in the sense that it does not exist. It is a real piece of hardware. But it is definitely not a miracle. You have to handle it with extreme caution. The learning curve is steep. One wrong angle or a pressure setting that is too high for your specific anatomy could lead to lasting damage. There is a reason why doctors go to school for years to learn how to handle these procedures. If you are struggling with a massive buildup of wax, the safest bet is still a visit to a specialist. They have the lights, the tools, and the perspective to see what they are doing. This electric irrigator might be tempting because it is convenient. It is flashy. It taps into that weirdly satisfying corner of the internet where we love to see things being cleaned. But your hearing is too valuable to gamble on a gadget that might be pushing the limits of safety. Be skeptical of anything that promises medical-grade results with zero risk. If you choose to try it, start at the lowest possible setting and move with incredible care. Better yet, maybe just let your ears do their natural job or see a professional who knows exactly what they are looking at. Do not let a glossy social media ad convince you that your bathroom is a surgical suite. The reality of ear health is far more delicate than a simple water spray. Take a breath and think about the long-term health of your hearing before you hit that power button. You only get one pair of ears. Treat them with the respect they deserve, instead of treating them like a DIY project.